Hello, this is your tutorial for converting your Flash-based presentations in your course to Kaltura videos. First, please make sure all applications on your computer are closed except Kaltura Capture and whatever browser you'll be using to access your Blackboard course. Also, make sure to turn up your volume on your computer as we'll be recording the audio from your presentation and that you do not have a headphone jack plugged in. Now on to the tutorial. We first need to make sure you have Kaltura Capture on your computer. We will do that by opening up your browser and going to watch.liberty.edu. Once you go there, go to the right-hand side and click Guest, then Log In. Log in using your LU credentials. Once you do that, go back to the top right and click Add New, Kaltura Capture. If you've already downloaded Kaltura Capture, you'll be prompted to open it up near the top of the screen. If not, you can go to the bottom to click the Download option. A very important note for this project, since we are utilizing the Record System Sounds option in Kaltura, a Windows-based computer must be used. Kaltura does not offer that option on a Mac, so please use a Windows-based computer when doing these recordings. So let's go ahead and open up Kaltura Capture. Once you open up Capture, you will see three record options: your screen, your webcam, and your audio. You can tell the option is enabled by the icon being blue, as you can see with the screen and audio option. The option is disabled if it's gray with a line through it, like our webcam option. If you want to enable that option, just click on the icon. To disable it, just click on it again. For this project, we want the screen and audio options enabled. Since we're recording the audio from your presentations, we need to enable the Record System Sound option in Kaltura. We can do this by clicking the Manage button over here on the right, then the small gear setting icon on the left. We want to ensure that the Record System Audio setting is set to Yes. We also want to ensure that the auto minimize when recording is also set to Yes, so the record bar will disappear while you're recording your presentations. Once you've checked both, you can click Save. We also need to ensure that your microphone is muted on your computer. While we want the audio option enabled through Kaltura, we need to mute your computer's microphone because Kaltura, while recording your presentation's audio, will also pick up any external sounds coming from your environment. Some laptops have a mute microphone option on the keyboard. If your computer does not, you can search for your audio settings through the computer's menu. We're almost ready to record. Now we need to choose the screen area we want to record. But first, please unplug any external monitors or make sure that you've chosen the correct monitor to record. You can choose the monitor by the drop-down option here and choosing the appropriate monitor. When recording, you have two options: full screen and select area. For this tutorial, we're going to click select area. But first, I need to go find my presentation. So I'm going to go to my course, go to my first presentation, and click on it. Many of our presentations are auto start, as you can see here. So you may need to hit pause and then drag the scrub bar back to 0 to make sure you record the entire presentation. Now reopen Kaltura Capture. Select area. At this point, you'll see a gray box appear. You can then use your mouse to drag the corners to the appropriate size. In this case, I'm only going to record the middle of the presentation and none of the controls. Once I do that, I'm going to click Confirm. Now I'm ready to record. To begin recording, click the red button to start recording. You'll get a 3-second countdown and then the record bar will disappear. At that point, you can click play on your presentation.
Hi, and welcome to Principles of Accounting 2. In your Principles of Accounting 1 course, you learned about the various types of financial statements.
Now Kaltura records in real time, so you'll need to let the presentation play completely through. Once the presentation is completed, click on the Kaltura icon in the toolbar. Then the gray square, and then yes stop it to stop the recording. You will then be brought to the preview screen. You can preview your video to ensure that the audio was successfully captured.
Hi, and welcome to Principles of Accounting 2. In your Principles of Accounting 1 course,
once you've successfully captured the audio, go up to the title and change it to meet the following template. The name of the course, in this case Accounting 212, M and the module it lives in this case Module 1, and then a keyword from the title, in this case Analysis. Once you've done that, click Save and Upload. Depending on your internet connection and the size of your video, it may take a few seconds to a few minutes to load to the Kaltura cloud. You can see the progress bar here. Once it's successfully gone to 100% and loaded to the cloud, you're ready to go to your second presentation and do the whole thing all over again. To do that, simply click on New Recording and go find your next recording and begin the process all over again.
statement, balance sheet, statement of equity, statement of cash flows, and the notes to these statements. And you may also recall the